Yes, you guys know I read the comments section. Even in my older videos, I do my best to go back and respond to some comments. It's not mathematically possible for me to respond to everyone's comments, but I gotta tell you, I do my very best. And what I see is recently there's been some requests for me to get out with my TRAXXAS Bronco, get out on the backyard trail park, and to have some fun, so I invite you to come along with me. How many times have we pulled up to this starting gate, my friends? So many times, eh? In fact, if you've been with me for longer than a year watching RC Adventures, I want you to tell me in the comment section right now, sign in, do whatever you gotta do, which video do you remember seeing first, or one that sticks out in your mind from the RC Sparks channel? Let me know that. I'm always curious. What got you started into the hobby? That kind of thing, you know? Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, down we go. I'm in the crawling gear. My differentials are completely locked. Look at these oversized tires, hey? Yes, you're hearing a rumbling sound box in there. It is up front. I know there's mixed reviews. Some people like sound boxes, some people don't. That's the beauty of this hobby. You can build the truck the way you want, and if nobody likes it, screw them. Have fun anyway. Yes, let's rip. Up onto the teeter-totter. Giant oversized capo tires, just known as Rock Kings. Look, shock towers. You guys get the irony in that? Up onto the teeter-totter, the seesaw. It's weighted at one side. I've had this in my park for several years. One of my favorite obstacles, because each truck does it differently because it's all weighted differently. See, on this side, I've got that hanging chain. That's full-size chain. Oh, my dang carburetor. I'm on an angle here. Best part about using wood is how it naturally twists. Like, look at this one. Even though it's coming down, it's not straight. It's all kind of twisted off to the side. Then you got to use the weight of the vehicle to help you on your descent. A lot of people flip over there, or they're not nimble enough to get out of here in time, and it flips them over because of the counterweight. Ta-da! And then just an uneven surface. I used to have a side hilling area here, but I love watching suspension move. So many people will say in the comments to me, you know, over the years, what is the best trail truck you've ever come across? Or what's the best RC for, you know, this amount of money? And I always say to them, and they always kind of get upset when I say it, but it's so true. This hobby, let's just go to the word best, number one. The word best is a word made up by another human to express personal opinion. What's best for one person may not be best for another. So that's tough to say. Oh yeah. Look at this. I say the best RC for you is the one that makes you happy and smile and fits within your budget. And these days, this hobby is more accessible than ever. Like, there's RCs for budgets of all kinds. Big or small, they got them for all. Come on, we can get up here. Yeah, just need to let that rip a little bit. Ah, the hill of doom. One-handed driving, my friends. People say, why don't you stick a GoPro on the bottom of your radio? Have you ever thought of that? In 13 years. And the answer is, oh, unlock differential. The answer to that is, I actually use a large camera. There's no way I can fit it on the bottom of my radio. But I love the quality that it provides, so I just keep going with it. Besides, driving one-handed is a cool trick at the pub anyway. It's not the only thing I can do one-handed. What does that mean? I just gotta shut up and let us enjoy the RC. To be quite straightforward, my friends, when I hear about what's my favorite RC, I think about, you know, what are we going to be doing that day? Are we going out trailing? Are we going out, you know, bashing? Are we going out flying or boating? That kind of thing. And really, like I said, budget is a big deal these days. And because there's so many companies out there, oh, damn the carburetor, dang it! At least I got it started again. Yeah, made it down Wesley Pipes. Because there's so many manufacturers out there, you really do have a lot of choice of what you want to get. Look at my poor backyard trail park, hey? Everything's been so beat up just because of the weather. Hey, Raven, where are you going? She's so camera shy. Raven, come here, come say hello to everybody, come on. Don't worry, you don't have to worry about the RC, you know that. Come here, come get a pat. Oh, that's my good girl. That's my good girl. We'll just stay here in the sunlight all day long, wouldn't he? Huh? Yeah. All right, let's see if we can get up the tire and over the pipes and we'll end this strong, hey? You good girl? Okay, go lay down. She's like an amazing family dog. Come on. We can get up the other side. Unbelievable. This is an old tractor tire I have. I thought it would be great in the park, and it has been. I just cut it in half. Oh, up over the... Oh, slippery. Are we going to end up with a spectacular crash here? Oh, bad driving. Can I pull out of that? Get some wheel speed. There we go. Okay, we'll back up a bit more. The reason I'm struggling is because of this knot on the front. There, once I got over that. Oh! Fail. Round dose. Now, take it nice and slow here. Focus on the driving and the wheels slipping off. Watching all the tires that I can. Watching the position of the tires on the pipe. Making sure it's not sliding. Correcting early and... yeah! Well, there it is, my friends. A good video with the TRAXXAS TRX4 Bronco. This is one of my favorite rigs to drive. I don't say it's the best, but I'll say it's one of my favorites, that's for sure. Very capable. As you can see, I was able to put larger size tires on there with some aluminum rims. All I did was move the bumper out 2 slots and move the back bumper out a little bit. Also, I adjusted the preload on my suspension just to lift up the body, but you can see it really didn't affect the articulation that much at all. And hopefully you guys were inspired to get outside and have fun with the hobby of RC if you're able. If not, maybe you can stay inside and build one. Modify one you already have. Heck, wash it and paint the body. Who cares? Just have some fun, and we'll see you in the next episode, guys. Bye for now. Now, how the heck am I going to get down here without bailing? Big tires. Nice and slow, nice and slow. Let's ride it out. And for all those that take a drink every time I say it, that's what she said.